Welcome to our Vue.js tutorial on creating a Todo list with a completion animation. We begin our template by setting up a basic structure with a div container and an unordered list, where our to-dos will be displayed. We use the v for directive to iterate over the to-dos array. Each Todo item is given a unique key based on its id for Vue's virtual DOM to keep track of changes efficiently. We wrap our Todo text within the transition component. This component will allow us to hook into Vue's transition system and animate the changes to a Todo item's completion state. Inside the transition component, we use v-if to conditionally render the Todo item. If the completed property is true, we display the Todo with a completed class attached, which includes our strike-through style. For Todo items not yet completed, we provide an alternative div without the completed class. Each item also has a complete button which calls the complete Todo method on click. Wrapping up the template, we ensure that each Todo item and button are enclosed within a li element, representing a single item in our unordered list. Moving on to the script section, we begin by setting up our Vue component's data function, which returns our to-dos as an initial state. We define an array of Todo items, each with an id, text, and completed property. Initially, all to-dos are marked as not completed. In the method's object, we define complete Todo. This function inverses the completed property of a Todo given its index, causing the transition effect to toggle on or off. Now let's dive into the style tag. First, we define operational styles for our strike-through transitions when they enter or leave the active state. We specify that these transitions should last for 1 second and apply to the opacity, which will give us a smooth fading effect. As to-dos transition in and out, we lower the opacity and apply the line-through text decoration, thus creating the strike-through effect visually indicating item completion. Lastly, for completed to-dos, we set the text decoration to line-through permanently, affirming that the item has been completed even after the transition effect has finalized.